Overview of the Theory and Practice textbook.
Now, beginning in Chapter 3 of the text, the publisher reprints portions of the ICD-9 CM Official Guidelines for Coding and Reporting, which we will abbreviate OGCR, that are specific to that particular chapter of the ICD-9 CM codebook the textbook is discussing. If you will turn to page 48 of the text, you will see an example of these that are shaded in blue. These OGCR are the same OGCR printed in your ICD-9 CM codebook beginning on page 1, which you should have marked with a tab for quick reference as I discussed in my overview video of the ICD-9 CM codebook. Now, the publisher has also included reprints of the ICD-10 CM OGCR in the text and has shaded these in green. If you will turn to page 50 of the text, you will see an example. In this course, students are not responsible for learning the ICD-10 CM OGCR. However, students are responsible for learning the OGCR that apply to ICD-9 CM. Portions of the ICD-9 CM codebook are shown also throughout the text, labeled as figures. If you turn to page 61 of the text, you will see figures 310 and 311. Try locating the figures in your codebook as you come across each, paying attention to the green highlighted explanations. Be sure that you are completing the exercise shaded in pink as you read through each chapter of the text. If you turn to page 35 of the text, you will see exercise 2-1 that is shaded in pink. An answer key for all of these exercises is posted in the Course Resources module so that you can check your answers to check your understanding of each. Students should also pay close attention to and review all of the examples shaded in purple throughout the chapters. If you turn to page 36, you will see 3 examples shaded in purple. These are excellent examples that usually follow the concepts discussed within the chapter. And each chapter of the text ends with a chapter review. If you turn to page 45 of the text, you will see the chapter review for Chapter 2. Answers to these exercises are included with the answer keys posted in the Course Resources module. It is highly suggested you complete as many of these as possible, as they are great reviews to wrap up what you have learned for that particular chapter. Now, to learn how to code, students must practice, and then practice some more. The text gives you plenty of opportunity to practice as you progress through each chapter, so take advantage of it. And finally, if you have a question or need help, please post your question on the discussion board or set up an appointment to visit with me. Either way, it's up to you to let me know when you do not understand.